Hello. Good afternoon, everybody. Hello. Good afternoon, children. Hello.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Okay. Have you attended my last class? Have you attended my last class? Do you know, all of you know the new pattern of the question examination or not? Everyone. In my last class, I've already told you, the rest of the students who have attended the class, I've already told them that the pattern of the examination has been changed. That is 30 questions. 30 questions will come out of that. You have to do all the 30 questions. 9 options will be there. That means total 39 questions. Okay. New pattern is 1 marks question 12. You can write down in your notebook. 1 marks question 12. And 8 2 marks question. 10 3 marks question. And 4 5 marks questions. That for 5 marks questions, you will be having 2 options. I mean 3 also you will be having 3 options. 2 marks questions also you will be having option, and 1 marks also option. Out of 39 questions or 40 questions, you have to attempt any 30 questions compulsory. Okay. So today we'll start with our new chapter, that is about yoga. Yoga already have started, and the lifestyle diseases we have discussed. Who was present in our last class? The girls, those who are present in our last class. Khushi, you were present in our last class? Have you seen all the notes? Have you seen all the videos and my channel? Have you subscribed, everyone? Hello. Hello, Khushi, you can hear me? Hello. I can't hear you. Can you hear me or not? Everyone. Is it clear? My voice is clear? Hello. Okay. In chapter yoga, we were doing about the diabetes. About diabetes, what are the asana which can prevent diabetes? We have already discussed, and there are more 4 lifestyle diseases. That is, one is asthma, another one is hypertension, then back pain. These are your lifestyle diseases. Okay. In YouTube, my channel is there. You can subscribe in the name of Mrs. Mona Lisa Mishra. Okay. In that you will find all the chapter wise, all the notes are there, and all the topics has been covered. Some revised topics has been there, and some topics has been omitted in our in your board examination. I have already made a PDF and sent in your groups. You must have seen that one. And some chapters PDF also. First 4 chapters PDF also was sent by the sir in last classes. So today we will start with the other topic of the chapter, that is yoga and lifestyle. Okay. This unit 3, yoga and lifestyle, already we have completed. Only the discussion part has been left, that is how yoga is beneficial for all the. I've already told you what is yoga. Yoga is thing, but it is the combination of meaning of yoga is yoga has been taken from Sanskrit word that is yug, which means to join or to unite. Hello. It is the union of human soul and God. Okay. The meaning of yoga is lifestyle. Yoga has been derived from a Sanskrit word that is huge, which means to join or to unite. It is union of asan, human soul and God. Okay. And meaning of lifestyle. Here, meaning of lifestyle is the way of living of an individual, groups or societies, and show person's attitude. And what is asanas? Asanas mean position or posture of body. It makes human body powerful, and it is the third step of yoga. Now, children, we can types of asanas. There are three types of asanas are there. What are the three types of asana? First asana is cultural asana. Second one is meditative asana. And third one is your curative asanas. Here, cultural asana, meditative asana, curative, or you can say relaxative asanas. What is cultural asanas? Cultural asanas is nothing but it is for the body fitness. Okay. Provide energy to the body. For example, Bhujangasana. The next one is meditative asana, that is increase of meditation power should be done for meditation, such as, for example, you can say Padmasana, Sukhasana also you can sit and do meditation. Relaxation asana. Relaxation asana relaxes the body, physically relaxes the body, mentally removes fatigue. Fatigue means thakawat. I have already told you. Fatigue is a term. You will find so many terms, scientifically terms, that is fatigue, endurance, strength, like that, exhaustion. Such as, for example, you can say for this relaxation asana or relaxative asana, Savasana is the most important one. Hello, can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Already I have discussed, but again I am repeating it because PDF you must have got. PDF you must
Yes,
have
ma'am.
got. Okay. So any doubt regarding this chapter? Hello. Okay.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Points. Okay. Points should be, you should note before doing this asanas are breathing. Always breathe through nose until stated. Okay. And relaxation should lie straight and relax after doing yoga. ये हर आसन के बाद आपको एक बार रिलैक्सिंग पोज में जरूर जाना है. आप लाई करके भी जा सकते हो, अदरवाइज यू कैन रिलैक्स योर लेग्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, सिट स्ट्रेट, कीप योर हैंड्स बिसाइड्स योर हिप्स. The next one is counter pose. What is counter pose? Necessary for balancing the body. That is known as counter pose. And time of practice. Any time except after meals. Best before 2 hours before the meal also you can do, or best time hai 2 hours before sunrise, and in the evening also you can do. And next topic is regarding the and what point other points are there to be noted, that is, if the person pregnancy, if the person no inverted yoga should be done without consulting a doctor. Then age limitation, no age barrier or expert advice should be taken in place of having any type of diseases or injuries. Place of practice, practice कहाँ करना है? Well ventilated room or calm and quiet environment should be there. Beautiful garden, not in strong wind or dirty areas. Clear? What should be light? Blanket and mat, not spongy or air fitted mattress, as does not give support to the spine. Naturally folded and naturally simple blanket or a mat. Then clothes, what type of clothes should be worn? Loose, light, comfortable clothes. Then next is what type of diet, or you can say what kind of no special rules are there, but natural food should be taken in yoga. Okay, it is advised to take light food before doing any activities, or there should be some gap or 2 hours before doing the activities. And advised क्या है diet का? 50% of stomach with food, 25% of stomach with water, and 25% should be stomach empty. And different asanas are also there. What are the different asanas? 7 main asanas are there. First one is Bhujanga asana, that is cobra pose. Generally, this cobra pose is been done for the relaxation of body and the spinal cord. If the person is having any injuries in the spinal cord, should not be done by him or her. And there are so many asanas. Bhujanga asana is cobra pose. कैसे करते हैं इस cobra pose को? Lie down on stomach, keeping toes flat on the floor. और क्या करना है इसको? Then, hello. Okay. Keep toes flat on floor. Then place palm of hand down in front of shoulder. Now, touch elbow with waist. Then, while inhaling, the breathing, raise in front of the part of the body, front part of the body, and try to raise the body to an extent, like a snake. The next one, what do you call it as? Very slowly, head and chest directing towards back. Do not lift navel region. Navel region को नहीं उठाना है, उसके ऊपर के पोज को उठाना है. Then close eyes, focus attention on back. Then hold position as long as one can breathe properly. Then return to normal position while inhaling. Relax. Benefits of these asanas. What are the benefits of the asana? Benefits is flexible in neck and spine. Then good for obese people. Then heals kidney and liver problems. Not for the people with having injury to back or pregnant women, then fracture ribs or wrist, then hyperthyroid people. These people should avoid doing this asana. That is contraindications. The next, Trikonasana, triangle pose. This is very useful for the persons of those who are suffering from diabetes. Trikonasana is
Excuse me, ma'am.
Triangle pose. हाँ, hello.
Ma'am, I was asking, do we have to make a practical copy for PHE?
Yes, you have to make a practical copy. I will send you in your group what asanas you means only 3 things you have to write this year. Rest things are being omitted according to the syllabus. 3 things if you can write, you write down. I'm telling you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First practical is shall I tell you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First one is fitness, physical. First, what you have to write in your practical copy is about first is your you have to write acknowledgement and fill up the certificate. Then you just start writing with first one, the fitness, physical fitness test, physical fitness test. Previously it was AFA test, now it has been changed to Khelo India program. In that physical fitness test for all the people, it is there in your test book. You have purchased a test book?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you purchased a test book or not? Okay, you will
Yes, ma'am.
find
I
in
have
that.
purchased.
Okay. Okay. The practical copy is this. Can you see this one? See. दिख रहा है? Physical education दिखाई दिया practical copy?
हाँ मैम, दिखाई दिया.
तो ऐसे आपको जरूरी नहीं है कि सिर्फ यही वाला प्रैक्टिकल कॉपी लेना है. जो भी अवेलेबल हो इन द मार्केट, यू कैन परचेज दैट वन एंड स्टार्ट राइटिंग इन योर दिस थिंग. रिकॉर्ड फाइल में क्या क्या लिखना है? फिटनेस टेस्ट, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन फॉर ऑल टेस्ट आइटम्स, वो आपके इसमें ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल है. चैप्टर टेस्ट एंड मेजरमेंट 7. अभी इसके बाद जाएंगे हम 6 चैप्टर में. 6 या 7 चैप्टर हम लोग का टेस्ट एंड मेजरमेंट है. उसमें आपका ये वाला टेस्ट पहला टेस्ट है, इसी को उतार लेना है सेम. ठीक है. और क्या करना है इसके बाद? सेकंड प्रैक्टिकल क्या लिखना है? प्रोसीजर फॉर आसन्स एंड बेनिफिट्स एंड कॉन्ट्रा इंडिकेशंस. कॉन्ट्रा इंडिकेशंस क्या होता है? जो कि चीजें नहीं करनी है, जिसको कुछ प्रॉब्लम होती है तो कुछ चीजें नहीं करनी होती है, उसको कहते हैं कॉन्ट्रा इंडिकेशंस. फॉर एनी 2 आसन्स फॉर ईच लाइफस्टाइल. जो हमारे 5 लाइफस्टाइल डिजीजेस हैं, जैसे कि डायबिटीज, हाइपरटेंशन, अस्थमा, बैक पेन एंड ओबेसिटी. ये जो 5 चीजें हैं, इन पांचों के लिए 2-2 आसन जिनके द्वारा इनको प्रिवेंट किया जा सकता है, वो 2-2 आसन के बारे में लिखना है. लाइफस्टाइल डिजीजेस जैसे डायबिटीज हेडिंग डाला, उसमें 2 आसन कौन है उसके लिए. व्हाट इज डायबिटीज? यू हैव टू राइट डाउन दिस इज डायबिटीज. उसके नीचे 2 आसन लिखने हैं. जैसे भी मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ, कौन से आसन पढ़ा रही हूँ डायबिटीज के क्यूरेबल के लिए, तो सॉरी डायबिटीज के लिए या ओबेसिटी के लिए, अभी तो हम लोग ओबेसिटी का चला, तो उसके लिए कौन से आसन की जरूरत है, वो 2-2 आसन लिखने हैं. तो ये लिखना है प्रैक्टिकल कॉपी में. 2 हो गया. तीसरा वाला बहुत इजी है. एनी वन गेम ऑफ योर चॉइस, जो कि हमारे सिलेबस में कौन कौन सा चीज है? बास्केटबॉल, फुटबॉल, कबड्डी, खो खो, वॉलीबॉल, हैंडबॉल, हॉकी, क्रिकेट, बाउंस एंड व्हाट डू यू कॉल इट एज unified basketball. Better you are a boy, you can write football. If is a girl, if and kabaddi also you can write. If you are interested in kho-kho, you can write any one game. Cricket भी लिख सकते हो, वॉलीबॉल भी लिख सकते हो. कोई एक गेम अपनी चॉइस का उतार लेना है खाली. ये सब आपके प्रैक्टिकल कॉपी में ही रहेगा. जो प्रैक्टिकल कॉपी आप परचेस करोगे, उसके आगे वाले पेजेस में बना हुआ रहेगा, उसको एज इट इज उतार लेना है और उसके फोटोज जो है इंटरनेट से कट करके चिपका देना है. ठीक है, हो गया. ये 3 ही चीज करने हैं इस बार. क्लियर?
मैम आप ये सब व्हाट्सएप में सेंड कर देंगे ना?
जरूर कर दूंगी, मैं पीडीएफ बना के भेज दूंगी. ठीक है.
हाँ, और मैम प्री बोर्ड
मैं
में
ग्रुप में
फिर
भेज दूं, तुम्हारे ग्रुप में भेज देती हूँ. ठीक है, सर को दे दूंगी मैं, सर भेज देंगे ग्रुप में. ठीक है.
हाँ मैम.
ठीक है. ठीक है, और बताओ
मैम
क्या
प्री
चाहिए?
बोर्ड में पूरा सिलेबस आएगा ना?
अभी जो आपका प्री बोर्ड होने वाला है, पूरा सिलेबस पता नहीं तुम लोग क्या पैटर्न है, कुछ बताया गया है आपको? मुझे तो नहीं पता आप लोग के स्कूल में क्या पैटर्न है। हमारे स्कूल में तो गोला रोड में तो हम लोग तो एमसीक्यू दे दिए, हम लोग का एक मॉक टेस्ट हो गया। क्या पैटर्न है?
40 मार्क्स का
हाँ, तो
क्वेश्चन
आपका
आएगा
क्या
प्री
पैटर्न
बोर्ड
है?
में।
कितने मार्क्स का आएगा बच्चे पूछ रहे हैं। भेजा गया ग्रुप में, देखो तो तुम्हारे में भेज दिया गया है। ठीक है, जैसा होगा बता दिया जाएगा। ठीक है, मैं सब ग्रुप में तुम्हारे सेंड कर दूंगी। ठीक है, और कुछ मार्क्स तो मुझे लगता है अगर पूरे मार्क्स का आएगा तो 70 का आएगा। क्या है मुझे पता नहीं है तुम लोग का पैटर्न क्या है। और बताओ, और कुछ पूछना है इसमें? कोई डाउट है इस चैप्टर में? कुछ पूछना है और अलग से? तो मैं आगे पढ़ाना
नो
शुरू
मैम।
करूंगी। हेलो, हाँ, कितने लोग प्रेजेंट है अभी? रेणु कुमारी, श्रेया सिस्टी, मानसी कुमारी, तुम्हारा क्या नाम है? सृजन।
हाँ मैम।
ओके, तो बाकी लोग को सुनाई दे रहा है? क्लियर है वॉइस? हेलो, ओके। तो इसको क्या करना है कि इसको तुमने लिख लेना है। हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है। इस सब मैं भेज देती हूँ तुम्हारे ग्रुप में, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। मैं इसके क्लास के बाद में सब भेज दूंगी। तो आगे हम शुरू करते हैं हमारी क्लास के, बाकी चीज हम शुरू करते हैं। कहाँ थे हम लोग? हम लोग थे लाइफस्टाइल डिजीजेस। ओके, ओके। तो हम लोग अब स्टार्ट कर रहे थे व्हाट इज त्रिकोणासन। त्रिकोणासन इज ट्रायंगल पोज जिसको कहते हैं। इसमें कैसे खड़ा होना है? स्टैंड इरेक्ट विथ फीट मोर देन शोल्डर विथ अपार्ट से खड़े हो जाना है। दोनों पैर को थोड़ा सा फैला के शोल्डर विथ में और खड़े हो जाना है। उसके बाद रेज योर आर्म्स। ओके, रेज योर आर्म्स एंड देन रेज योर आर्म्स। उसके बाद क्या करना है? साइड वाइज रेज योर आर्म्स टू शोल्डर लेवल। ओके, हेलो, ओके। नाउ next, what you have to do is you have to just do not lift Hello. 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 Now, hypertension. What is an hypertension? High blood pressure. It is a condition in against the artery walls is too high. Increased blood pressure जिसको कहते हैं, ठीक है? Affected what does it does? It affects the body organs, that is especially heart. Symptoms क्या होते हैं इसके? Headache होता है, chest pain होता है, then irregular heartbeat and breathing, excessive fatigueness, थकावट भी excessive होती है. और बीपी, नॉर्मल बीपी रेंज क्या होता है? 120 by 80 mm per Hg. Hypertension range 140 by 90 by 60 mm per Hg. दो तरीके pressure. Okay. Now, what are the asanas to cure this or benefits for the hypertension? There are certain asanas which is helpful for curing the obesity. That is, in yoga and lifestyle, you have certain asanas which is beneficial for all these types of lifestyle diseases. Out of that, we can study. First one is about the Tadasana. Tadasana is very beneficial for the person who is suffering from this hypertension. Procedure क्या है ताड़ासन का? ताड़ासन का procedure है, the person has to stand straight, okay, stand up, attention position, then lift your arms upwards, stretch your hands upward with inhalation, then raise your heels and come on toes and push up your body upwards, and sometimes then breathe out and come to your normal initial position. Repeat this for 8 to 10 times. This is your procedure for Tadasana. Next, what are the benefits of Tadasana? It reduces symptoms of hypertension. It cures constipation. Beneficial for removing obesity, reducing obesity, improves body posture, helpful in developing physical and mental balance, keep the digestive system strong. Okay, these are the benefits of Tadasana. Then, what are the contraindications of Tadasana? Don't do this asana if parents having low pressure. Don't do this asana if individual have problem of headache. Then parents suffering from blood circulation, then don't perform this asana. Patients generally suffering from blood circulation, they are not allowed to do this one. Next is Ardha Chakrasana, second asana. Ardha Chakrasana procedure is stand straight with both feet apart or tight. Then hold your hips with your hands. Bend your backwards without bending your knees. Slow inhalation. Next, slow inhalation is necessary without bending the knees. Then keep this pose for some times. Do it for 2 to 3 times. Okay. This is Ardha Chakrasana procedure. Next, Next one is, what are the benefits of Ardha Chakrasana? Benefits of Ardha Chakrasana are, it relieves stress, tension, it cures high blood pressure problem, it cures, very helpful in reducing fat of waist and thigh, improves digestion, it cures menstrual disorders. These are the benefits of Ardha Chakrasana. Next comes the contraindications. Do not or don't do this asana if you have problem of migraine or low pressure. Pregnant women should avoid this asana. Avoiding this asana in case of spinal injuries. Okay. Next asana is Savasana. Lie down in spine position. Then legs should straight. Keep the arms away from the body. Leave all the limbs, okay, loose, as leaves all the limbs loose, as well as relax with deep in breath. Then close your eyes and think your body is completely loose. Be in position for 10 to 20 times. Okay. This is the procedure for Savasana. Next, the benefits of Savasana. What are the benefits of Savasana? It controls high blood pressure. It relieves mental tension. Then regulates blood circulation and gives relief in various aches and pain. Increases concentration level. Then cures many cardiac problems. It makes you energetic throughout the day. These are the benefits of Savasana. Next, there are some contraindications of Savasana also. Contraindications of Savasanas are, don't do this asana if you are not mentally stable. In case of headache, avoid this asana. If you feel extreme fatigueness, then don't do this asana. This is the procedure, benefits and contradiction of Savasana. Now, which is helpful for curing this hypertension. Next, hello.